In this lecture, you are going to learn how to add rich snippets in your posts. In click-through rate lecture itself, we have seen the importance of rich snippets. But adding a rich snippet plugin into your WordPress website is very easy, and it also much easier to add rich snippets for every post in your site. But it will be a little bit time consuming, and also you may feel bored to add rich snippets to bulk of your previous posts that you have already published. But just make it a practice to add rich snippets whenever you make a new post. So let's add the required plugin first. Go to Add Plugins page in your WordPress website and search for Rich Snippets. The second plugin, that is all-in-one schema.org Rich Snippets, is the plugin that you need to install. The description of the plugin itself says that boost CTR. So it justifies my statement, right? Go ahead and install it and then activate it. You don't need to configure or play around with the settings of this plugin. Just install this plugin. After that, edit any of your posts, then come down. You will see this configure rich snippet box where you need to select what kind of post is this. For example, let's assume that this is an item review. Then you need to enter the reviewer's name and also write the review in this box. Then give a rating here. Once you update this post, then the rich snippets for item review will be added to this post. If this post is an event, then you will have to fill in multiple fields. Let's assume that you are organizing a bloggers meet. Then give the event title as the blogger meet, enter the location, street address, region, postal code, etc. and then give the start and end date. If you are providing a ticket, then mention the price and also the currency. If you are selling the ticket in separate page, then enter the URL of that page here. This is how you can add the rich snippets for events. Let's fast forward this lecture. I am going to demonstrate the product next. Let's assume that this post is mentioning about a product. For example, Apple iPhone 6s. Then enter the brand as Apple, enter the product name as iPhone 6s, then upload the image, or if you have already uploaded one, then paste the URL of that image here, then enter the price, currency, and then availability. But by default, if you are selling a product, you won't be using this rich snippet plugin. You would have installed WooCommerce plugin, which by default adds these rich snippets into your product page. But what if you are just adding this product as a catalog and you are not selling it? In such case, you can use this rich snippets product, right? So let's move to video. Assume that you have added a video in this post and also you have written an article about that video in this post. In such case, give the title of that video here, add some description, and then add the video thumbnail image in this box, or you can upload one. For example, if you have uploaded a YouTube video and if you are writing a post about that, then you can use that same YouTube video thumbnail here. If you want to upload that video, then upload the video file here. But if you want to embed the YouTube video, paste the URL of that YouTube video. But don't do both of these. That is, don't upload a file and also provide embed video link. Just do any one of these. Then provide video duration and upload date here, and then hit update button to update this post. There are multiple other rich snippets available with this plugin, and you can use any of them depending upon your post. But what if your website is not WordPress based? In such case, you can use microdatagenerator.com and then go to local business generators or thing generators. where you can generate the rich snippet code by choosing any of these categories. For example, if you're generating the rich snippet code for video object, then click video object, enter the video title, duration, thumbnail, the content URL or the embed URL. Enter any one of these URL, don't give both of them, then mention the upload date and video description. Once you hit submit button, you will get a rich snippet code which you can directly copy paste into your HTML website. In the next lecture, you are going to learn time on site search engine ranking factor.